Oh,
Hello, this is Safety Corner.
this is
Now
overloading.
we are cooking chicken in air fryer, whole chicken, and also my kaibigan is preparing the vegetable salads also, and also we are cooking French fries. Yeah, French fries. Okay, tamam. Okay, now we are cooking our French fries for our dinner. Kaibigan is preparing a vegetable salad with very unique cut of orange carrots. Now he placed black olives and mixing. What you have put here, Kaibigan?
Carrot, tomato,
Okay,
lettuce,
lettuce and what? Salt,
salt. Yes, I will.
Olive
put
oil?
salt, olive oil,
And?
lemon juice.
lemon. Yeah, tamam, tamam.
Lemon juice.
While our French fries is boiling, our chicken is under process.
It is like a chicken laying egg. Yeah.
My kaibigan is preparing laban from yogurt. See? He's preparing laban, yeah. Yes. But I think kaibigan, this is not enough, yeah. You need to add more. Yes. Nice. We add salt. Laban is very healthy. There's probiotics, good bacteria in here. If you drink it, this is the best drink in the world. Put some water and mix again. Now our French fries is starting to be yellow. And laban now is already ready for drinking. Now we will use a strainer to remove the oil from the French fries. You know the French fries, the sugar content of the potato is removed. That's why it's also a little bit healthy. Now we place on our strainer to remove the oil and keep it there for a while. Our potato is ready. We will put some salt. Yes, done. Now it's cooked, yeah? It's cooked. We will cut into 4 pieces. And enjoy. That's it. Yes, this is nice. Now ayos. Let's eat. Mga karils. Let's eat. Our chicken salad with a good background of music. Okay, let's enjoy.